Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your coming. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Oktaviami Manullang. I am student of D4 Informatika Engineering, Class 1B Teknik Post Indonesia. It is nice to be here, standing in front for you and presenting an important topic. Today, I will talk about various calculators and their uses. I'm sure that this question is very interesting and I hope you can enjoy and listen to what I have to say. Okay, know this picture? Yeah, this is a calculator. Calculator is a tool for calculating from simple calculation to complex calculation. Simple calculation like addition, setting, multiplication, and division. Complex calculation such as calculation with certain mathematics. Calculator function. The first can be used to develop concept. Although it's natural as a calculation tool, but this type of tool is not only used to calculate because this tool can be used to develop concept. The second, be used for drill. The exception of a calculator in the form of this tool that can be used for drill, where students do not need to use a computer or PC when doing calculation. The third can improve problem solving. When a student is confronted with a method of calculation, of course they will concentrate more on solving the problem on the subject. Type of calculator. In general, the calculator is divided into two types, namely ordinary calculator and scientific calculator. 1. Ordinary calculator. Ordinary calculator is a calculator that is generally used such as addition, multiplication, division, percentage, and root. This calculator is usually used in stall shop, which incidentally does not require complicated calculation. 2. Scientific calculator. Scientific calculator is a calculator that has more uses than an ordinary calculator. You can do rank calculation, sin, constant, exponent, logarithm, and several other calculations. This calculator is usually used by those who have professions that require complex calculation, such as students, architects, and so forth. For the standard version, there are at least about 5 features that are the main function of scientific calculator, including logarithm. Maybe you are familiar with logarithms. This is a mathematical operation which is called the opposite of the exponent ratio. The function of the logarithm formulation itself is to solve an equation where the rank is unknown. Trigonometry. Trigonometry, the next function of a scientific calculator, is trigonometry calculation. This is branch of mathematics that deals with the angle of triangles and trigonometry functions such as sin, cos, tangents. It may be well known by high school students. Exponential. Exponential, or often called removal exponential function, is a mathematical operation that you can do on a scientific calculator. This is a multiplication that is repeated. The function is often written with the notation exp x or x. In addition to some of the function above, there's also a scriptive that has calculation, filter, problem solving, and other. The four scientific notation. Calculation and problem that can be solved through a scientific calculator. Scientific notation itself is a variety of reading numbers, the accommodant values to larger or smart to easily be written on standard decimal notation. The 5 floating point. Floating point is floating point calculation, almost the same as scientific notation, but somewhat different because floating point is a number format that can be used to represent a very large or very small value. Okay, the next access calculator. 1. Each access can make it easier for us to count correctly and quickly. 2. Access is calculator can calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Lack of a calculator. 1. Make us lazy to count and result in weakness in the field of mathematics or calculation. 2. Division is if asked 5 plus 5 times 5 is 15, even though the answer is 30, because it comes first. Conclusion. A calculator is a tool used to count, and it really helps students or adults to calculate numbers that are more difficult. Well, that's all I can say today. Unfortunately, our presentation time is up. If you have can send this question through this email address is oktaviami30@gmail.com. Hope this is useful. I am very happy to share this with you today. Thank you.